In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find people to follow on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive in. To start with, you'll want to hop onto the Vimeo website and make sure you're signed in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can follow anyone. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of your screen where you'll see the search bar. This is where the journey begins. Now click on the search bar. You're going to enter the name of the person you want to follow. This could be their actual name, their username, or even the name of the creator they go by. Just type it in and hit enter. After a second, Vimeo will present you with a variety of search results related to your query. At this point, you'll want to refine your search a little more. On the results page, you should see some filter options. Look for the one that says Users or Creators and select it. This will narrow down your results significantly, showing only profiles of users related to the name you entered. Now, take a moment to browse through the matching profiles. You might see a bunch of options pop up, so take your time here. Look for the profile that seems to match the person you are searching for. Sometimes you might find a profile with the exact name, but other times it might not be quite as clear, especially if it's a common name. Once you've located a profile that you think matches the person you're looking for, go ahead and click on it. This will open up their profile where you can learn more about them, check out their videos, the content they create, and maybe even their bio information. This step is crucial, especially if there are a lot of similar profiles, because we want to make sure you're following the right person whose content you'll enjoy. If everything looks good and you're convinced that you've found the right person, it's time to follow them. You should see a button that says follow on their profile. Click that button, and just like that, you've officially started following this creator. Now congratulations! By following this user, their new videos will start appearing in your Vimeo feed. This means you can easily keep up with their latest content without having to search for them again. It's a great way to discover more about the creators you love, and it brings even more engaging videos straight to your viewing experience. If you ever want to revisit who you're following or manage your subscriptions, Vimeo has a section for that as well. Just head over to your own profile or settings, and you can see the list of people you're following. This way, you can always make adjustments if you want to add or remove someone from your follow list. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to find and follow people on Vimeo. With just a few simple steps, you can enrich your viewing experience by connecting with creators who inspire you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing for more content like this. We love sharing tips and tricks that can enhance your experience online. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing on Vimeo.